Well, hello again, EDU 304, and welcome to Station 4 of our assessment formats, which is focused on what we call fill in the blank, or what is sometimes referred to as completion items. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to read the two paragraphs of information that are provided here on this slide. And then I'm going to ask you on your note sheet to complete or to fill in the blanks of the assessment over on the right. Now, not all of the questions are answered within the text I'm going to read, but you just do your best job, again, just to get the experience of going through a completion or a fill-in-the-blank assessment so that you are better able to reflect upon the process at the end of this station. So here's what the text says. Completion items are especially useful in assessing mastery of factual information when a specific word or phrase is important to know. They preclude the kind of guessing that is possible on limited choice items, such as multiple choice or true and false, since they require a definite response rather than simply recognizing the correct answer. Because only a short answer is required, their use on a test can enable a wide sampling of content. Completion items tend to test only rote, repetitive responses and may encourage a fragmented study style since memorization of bits and pieces will result in higher scores. They are more difficult to score than forced choice items, and scoring often must be done by the test writer since more than one answer may have to be considered correct. Okay, based on that little amount of information in this introduction, go ahead, pause the video, complete the fill in the blank or the completion assessment over on the right, and then I will provide you with the answers here in about 5 seconds. So go ahead and pause the video and then kind of test yourself here before I provide you with the answers. I'm going to allow you to pause this screen if you need to in order to see how you did based on the answers that were provided for this assessment. So here's the nitty-gritty of this. I'm most concerned about your reflection over this process, participating in a completion or fill-in-the-blank assessment. So the 4 questions that I ask you to respond to in the note sheet are as follows. Number 1, what are the advantages of using completion or fill in the blank questions to assess student learning? Because there certainly are some advantages. But there are also disadvantages. And question number 2 hits on that. What are the disadvantages of using completion questions to assess student learning? Number 3 asks which words should be omitted, left blank, to create quality completion questions. And then number 4, ideally, where should the blank be placed within your completion question? Go ahead and complete this section of your note sheet, and I will see you for the final station, station number 5, which is focused on essays, as soon as you complete this one.